Hello guys, today I got a knife, Second World War knife. It's a military knife, made in England, Sheffield, Joseph Rodgers. It's an unbelievable knife, but quite bad condition. It's rusty, but I clean it, polished little bit, made a restoration. Very interesting knife. The handle, it's a lazy handle. And second knife is also made by Joseph Rodgers. Also it was in very bad condition, very rusty. It's I clean it and restore it. Just now it's a little bit better, but it was very bad condition. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.